Hi guys! So, thank you sa lahat ng mga nag-attend ng ating very first Zoom event ng Ascendra International discussing the marketing plan of our company. And yes, I know everyone are aware na nasa pre-pioneering stage tayo ngayon sa kumpanya natin, and we are already breaking record and making a history sa buong industry po ng MLM company. So, nasa pre-pioneering stage tayo. Wala pa po tayong soft launching, but then our very first meeting 2 days ago sa Decagon was live. Kumbaga, nakapag-live tayo ng mark sa buong networking history. So, nag-reach tayo ng 1,000, diba? 1,000 attendees, and that's, kumbaga, coming from different backgrounds. Ang iba, networkers, floating networkers. Ang iba, nagpahinga, na burnout na sa pag-network. But then, when they knew that Mentor Joseph Lim is going to build or magkakaroon ng sarili niyang company, talagang kusa po mismo yung tao na nag-inquire, naglabas ng pera kahit hindi pa nila nalalaman yung marketing plan, kasi tiwala sila sa mga taong behind our company. Kaya sa lahat ng mga nagpadala ng kani-kanilang pay-ins, congratulations! Kumbaga, we all know the law of first. May advantage po talaga pag nasa pioneering stage ka ng isang kumpanya. But then again, diba, once na you took this opportunity of pioneering, you need to be patient enough, maghintay sa products natin. Pero yun naman yung maganda sa company natin, kasi meron po tayong timeline. Kumbaga, may timeline tayo sa lahat. And so far, pasok naman po tayo sa timeline ng company. We're going to have our tentative date of pre-launching this coming 23. And hopefully, dumating sa date na yan yung ating products coming from Europe. Okay? Kaya sa lahat ng mga hindi pa din nagpapadala ng kanilang for enrollment, grab this chance habang hindi pa po nag-i-encoding, kasi mag-i-encoding pa lang po tayo this coming June 16. Okay? Kaya, again guys, thank you very much sa pagtangkilik ng kumpanya, sa tiwala na binigay nyo sa akin, sa amin, sa taong nag-imbita sa inyo sa company natin, and rest assured, sabay-sabay po natin aabutin ang mga pangarap natin. Kaya, we are actually very excited, kasi kung nag-start kami previous sa networking company namin as a first-timer, walang experience, bagong graduate, ngayon, we're not going to start from scratch, but we're going to start, diba, few steps ahead already, kasi baon-baon natin yung experiences natin, yung values, yung wisdom, at the same time yung skills. Kaya kung nakapag-create kami ng massive results sa previous company, ano na lang kaya yung kayang ma-create na resulta sa company natin ngayon. Kaya with that, congratulations to all and welcome to Ascendra family.